Hi students, welcome back. So in the previous video we have discussed about the introduction lecture of this chapter. Now we are going to start the exercise. Okay. So exercise 1.1. So first question is fill in the blanks. So the first question is 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. How many 10,000 that we have to find out, right? So first we have to see the sign. We have to make this 1 lakh equal to this. How many 10,000? Okay, so first we'll write this 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in 1 lakh, how many zeros are there? 5 zeros are there. And if we write 10,000, how many zeros are here? Only 4 zeros are here. To make this 1 lakh equal to this 10,000, we need one more zero. So we will add one more 10 to this. So 10,000 is the answer for this question. Same way, 1 million. How many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros are there. And for 100,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are there. Right? For making this 5 zeros to 6, what we need? We need again one more 10. So we will add one more 10. Okay. Same way with the crore also. How many zeros are in crore? 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here for 10 lakh we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Again we need 1 zeros. Again we have to use 1 zero basically comes in which number? 10 number. So here also 10 will come. Same way, again 1 crore and 1 million, and dash million is given here. So in 1 crore, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 1. Same way here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are coming here. So again we need one more zero. So what we will do? Write it here again. So for 1 million, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To make this 1 million, we need equal to this 1 crore, we need one more zero. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We want one more zero. So again we will add 10 to this. Okay. Same way the next also. So now question number E. So here 1 million. How many zeros are in 1 million? We have already done here. 3, 2, 5, 1, 6. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? We have to make it equal. And in lakhs, how many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To make this 1 lakh equals to 1 million, we need what? We need 1 zero more. So again we will add 10. So 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. Okay. So here question 1 completed. Now we will go to the question number 2. Going to do the question number 2, and the question is place commas correctly and write the numerals. So here the numerals is you have to write the number. Okay. The question will be given in the words. Okay. And you have to write in the number, and you have to place the commas also. Okay. So in the previous video I already told you about Indian system and international system and how to put commas. Okay. So first question, 73 lakhs 75,307. This is the first question. We have to first identify in which system this question will come. Okay. So again I want to tell same thing. Lakhs and crore. Okay, lakhs and crore always come in Indian system, and 100,000, million, billion, trillion will come in international system. Okay. So first we will find out in which system the first question is coming. So here the lakh is given. So it will come in Indian system, right? So how to write this number without any mistake? What you have to do is first just take out your pencil or do it in a rough. Just make this place value system. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Hence we are dealing with Indian system, so we will write the place value system of Indian system, right? Then what is the question here? 73 lakhs. Okay, so just crore section is not given, so go to the 73 lakh section. So this is 73 lakhs. Okay, now 75,000. Okay, this is 75,000. Clear? And next is 307. So 307. So without any mistake, we can write this number correctly in correct place order form. Okay, so the final answer is 73, then 75, then 307. Next step is commas. How to put the commas in Indian system? We have to follow the order of 3, 2, 2. Same way, first 3 place, ones, tens, 100, put comma here. Okay, then 2 places. Okay, in this way we have to put the commas. Or when you write this place value system, give a line after 3 place, then 2 place, then 2 place. So it will be very clear where you have to put the commas, right? Now, come to the next one, B option, right? 9 crore 5 lakhs 41. 9 crore. Again, it's an Indian system. So what you have to do it, same thing, just we will write it here below the place value. We will put the place, we will put the number, sorry. Okay. So the question is 9 crore. So it will come in section of crore. Okay. 5 lakhs. Only 5 lakhs is asked. So we will write 5 here. So which number is missing here? 10 lakhs. So we will put 1 0 there. Okay. Then 41. 41. So wherever there is no number, we know what we have to put. We have to put there 0. Okay. So we got the answer here. Now 9 crore 5 lakhs and 41. So next is comma. How to place the comma? Same in Indian system. 3. Then I miss out 1 0. Again I am writing here 9 0 5. Then 3 zeros are there. Then 4. Right. Now we have to put the commas. Indian system. First we have to put the comma 3 place. 3, then 2, then again 2. So 3, 2, 2 is the order of putting commas in Indian system. Okay. Now come to question number D. Not C, it's a D1, right? So in question number D, 423,202. This is the question, right? So first we have to find out in which system it will come. So it will come in international system. Why? Because it's a million here. Okay. So first, again we have to draw. We have to write it. A simple place value system of international system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Since there is no 100 million here, I have not written here. So 58 million. 58 million means this is 5 and 8. So 58 million. 423,000. So this is 423. All this 3 section comes in 1000. Okay, then 202. 200. Okay, so how to write this number? First, we have to find out in which system it will come. So million is here; it will come in international system. Then just with the help with the pencil, just write the place value system. Okay. Then what you have to do? Just you have to put the number below the places, right? So here 58 million. So here it is 58. 423,000. 423,000. All this 3 section will come in 1000. Then 202. 202. So this is the answer. Now what you have to do is, so what we are missing? We are missing comma here. Okay, how to put comma? So we are dealing with international system. It is very easy to remember. 3, 3 and 3. This is the order of international system. So first 3 place, put the comma, again the 3 place. Okay, so this is the way to write numbers in international system and an Indian system. This is the way. It is very easy. First you just write the place value or place value in with the help of pencil. Roughly you can write it just below, put the number. That will be very clear to you how to write the numbers. Okay, and I have not done question number 2, C and E. So these 2 questions are homework. Okay, and if you have any doubt related to Indian and international system, you can see the previous video also. In that also I have explained, and this time also I have explained. So C and E are homework. You have to do it by your own. Okay.